Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson vacuum cleaner. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson vacuum cleaner has lost suction, it can be frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a blockage in the filters or hoses, or sometimes a worn-out motor. If left unattended, it can lead to decreased performance and potentially damage the vacuum over time. Let's get started on the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement filter, which you can easily purchase online or from your local store. To begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum cleaner, usually found at the back and bottom. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top section of the body off, taking care not to force it as there may be clips holding it in place. Now, you should be able to see the internal components. The most common culprit for loss of suction is the filter or a blockage in the hose. Check the filter first, it may be clogged with dirt and debris. If it looks dirty, remove it by twisting and pulling it out. Rinse it under warm water until the water runs clear, then set it aside to dry completely before reinserting. If the filter is damaged, replace it with the new one you have. Next, inspect the hoses for any blockages. If you spot any debris, use your tweezers to carefully pull it out. Be gentle to avoid damaging the hose. After clearing any blockages, reattach the body of the vacuum by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now plug your vacuum back in and test it to ensure the suction is restored. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful repair. To help prevent this issue from happening in the future, make sure to clean your filter regularly, check for blockages often, and avoid vacuuming larger debris that could clog the system. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.